Hello, my name is Yelise Kodorobe, and today is Wednesday, May 15th, uh, in the year 2019. Um, anyway, this is a short video, specifically the microbiology laboratory preparation video for week one. My lab kit finally arrived, so I can go over it. I already took the liberty of unpacking it, and all the components inside the container that require any sort of refrigeration in order to keep them viable. I went ahead and I took the liberty of running them downstairs and placed them in a safe place inside the refrigerator. As for what else is there? Also, the microscope also arrived. I didn't get a chance to really assemble it yet, but as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to pop it open and assemble it so that way it's ready to be used. And that's this little guy right here. Optical lens wipe. Oh, okay. All right. Beyond that, the container itself, with all the lab kit components, we've got everything from methyl reds. What is this? Burns. Various chemicals and stains and stuff like that. I've got this little rack for which I'm sure is going to come in handy once we start doing the cultures. And safety goggles, of course. A staining dish, a staining tray, and various other containers. Petri dish, and various other tiny little culture dishes. What is this? Oh, slide boxes. Glass slides for microscope viewing. Various other things like the candles and basically everything that normally comes in the inventory of the lab kit is in fact here. And mentioned the gloves. I'll keep those with the goggles. With the exception, of course, of the stuff that I already took downstairs. I also took the liberty of making a what's the thing? A schedule, calendar. I didn't have a calendar ready on hand, so I instead went ahead and made one with a freehand drawing, but it turned out a little sloppy, and so I went ahead and instead used a ruler, and it turned out a little bit better. I'm kind of on the fence about this one. I may end up just using some kind of program or something online. That's what all the kids are doing nowadays. So I'll see if that's a little bit more viable. But that's that for as far as the calendar goes. I'll fill it out and flesh it out a little bit more, and then take a picture to stick in the lab report, and hopefully that will satisfy that requirement. I also have a tendency of printing out the instructions just to kind of give myself something material to hold. What else? Oh, the other thing that I'm going to do in this video is show the area that I've selected for the cultures. And the area in question is in my bathroom underneath the sink here in this cabinet. It's dry. It's very dark once the door is closed. There's no ambient light or artificial light or direct light or anything like that. And I've also put a thermometer in here just to kind of see what we're working with. We're looking at around 24 degrees Celsius. And it's within that range for ideal incubation. I believe the paper said anywhere between 22 and 25 degrees Celsius is ideal, but there's no drafts, there's no ventilation, or anything like that, so it's a pretty good place to incubate. And that essentially does it. This counter on top will be where I will do the plate pouring and stuff, and hopefully all the experimentation and videos will take place over here. And this concludes my video. Thank you.